Eleanor, what is all this? Can you?
This is Dr. Mimi.
Okay, and
this is the human.
okay, and then what else? What's this? What's this? The yellow one. What's that? What's that, sweetheart? What are you sketching? What's that? Can you tell me? What's that, sweetheart?
It's a baby ram.
Okay, baby lamb. And what is the yellow?
Ram.
And what is the blue?
Sheep.
Oh, it's a sheep. Okay, what's the blue?
It's a heartbeat.
Okay, it's a heartbeat.
It's a
What is
kid.
this? Is this a sheep?
Yes.
Okay, this is a sheep. Okay.
What's that?
What is that?
Ram.
Lamb. What is lamb?
Ram is called ram.
Lamb.
Ram.
Okay. And what's this?
What's his name?
What's this?
Dr. Mimi.
Dr. Mimi. And what's this?
It's a human.
It's a human. And what is this, sweetheart?
Heartbeat.
Heartbeat. And what is this? Oh, what's that?
Bandage.
Okay, bandage. Tell me, what's that?
No, it's a heartbeat of it. It's a heart.
Mm-hmm.
Help. Mimi, doctor, what do you check? I check people, that's what I like.
Sing again. Mimi.
Mimi, doctor. Can you say Mimi, doctor?
Mimi doctor.
Yes, she's there.
And what does Mimi doctor do?
Taking patient.
Checking patient, right?
See,
Mm-hmm.
this is the patient.
Mm-hmm. And where is the doctor?
Yes, it's you, Dr. Mimi still. His name is Dr. Mimi.
Mm-hmm. Usher hoise. Mm-hmm. Do 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 do. Hi. Gung 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 gung.
Yeah!
Ooh, oi, 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 oi. Oh my god. All right, all right. Oh my god. Oh, Eleanor, you're gonna fall. Easy, easy peasy. Uh-huh.
Dad.
Okay. Are we done? Zzz.
Nah.
Are we done?
Nah.
Are we done?
Nah!
Oh my god.
Yabba, yabba,
Oh.